In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to withdraw your crypto from GoCrypto. But before I begin, there's one important thing you need to know. If you are using the GoCrypto simulator from the Google Play Store, you cannot withdraw money. It's just a simulation tool. The balance isn't real and withdrawals don't work. This video is for users with a real GoCrypto business account. So first, let's locate your business balance. Open the GoCrypto dashboard. On the left side menu, tap Crypto Balance. Here you will see all the individual cryptocurrencies you have received. This is also where you access the option to withdraw funds to an external wallet. Now let's walk through the actual withdrawal process. From the crypto balance section, find the currency you want to withdraw. On the right side of that currency, tap the withdraw button. Enter the amount you want to transfer and paste the external crypto wallet address where you want to send your funds. GoCrypto will send a confirmation link to your email. Open the email and approve the withdrawal, and always make sure the wallet you are sending to support the same currency. For example, BTC must go to a BTC address and ETH must go to ETH address. Sending funds to the wrong type of address can result in permanent loss, so double check every time. GoCrypto allows you to withdraw anytime you want, so there's no daily, weekly or monthly limit. Payouts in crypto can be withdrawn at any time. And that's it, a quick guide on how to withdraw your crypto from GoCrypto. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.